Sheldon Joseph with us today, and he's pretty much interested into the Forex signal services. We did have a discussion before, and Sheldon was, I think, interested into the training as well. I introduced the Forex training to him, and I explained to him the benefits of knowing how to trade on the financial markets compared to investing into companies and your money at high risk, dealing with foreign companies that deals with crypto. People take your investment money and they have other intentions. Many times people would lose the money. Based on my experience in the past when I deals with crypto investments, websites would crash, all kind of things would happen, scams with the networking side. So to really get out of that, I personally encourage Sheldon to partake into the training, learning how to trade the financial markets because a skill that will always be with you. And today he reached out to me and is interested into the signal services. So Sheldon, the Forex signal services you saw and you're interested in, right?
Yes, correct is right.
Right. So with this particular service, you had to have some experience trading the financial markets and knowledge as well. Because for persons to take this service, they already have to know about currency pairs, they have to know about lot sizes, they have to know about the stop loss, the entry, and the take profit prices. Also, some cases you might have to know about order types, although most of the trade ideas is market execution. So could you tell me if you already know about these Forex information?
No, I don't have much experience in that.
All right. So as you know, the first step for you is doing the education part, the training, because this service is more for the persons who already know about the Forex trading, and they would already have to have their broker set up and they funded with their USDT ready to take the signal. So I think you had to go through the steps of getting all these things set up as well. Correct?
Yeah, sure. Okay, no problem.
Yeah. So Shalana, you could after you take the training, you could consider the copy and paste signal, right? But at the
So,
end of the training, you will be able to place your own trades as well independently. So, you don't have to take the signals, but is an option available to you at that point.
nice. Okay.
All right. So remember, the training is to really come in and learn how to trade on the financial markets. You don't need any knowledge or experience. And currently, it's 500 TT to cover the 6 sessions of training. So what you need to do is just let me know when you would like to get started and we'll schedule like your first session. I think I
Mhm.
mentioned to you the method of approach is the recordings I'll do with you. And
Yeah,
and that way we could work with your timing. All
that's
right.
not a problem. Okay, no problem.
Okay, Sheldon. Well, thanks allowing me to do this session with you, and we could always communicate more on the WhatsApp.
So keep in touch. Okay, no problem.
All
Appreciate it.
right.
Thanks for your time.
No problem. Take care. All right. Okay. Bye bye.